Hello my friends, welcome to the atrium. You will notice that we have recently put this coating on this horrible brick made out of bricks. This gives a much better look and feel. And today I will show you how to cut a brick of 14 centimeters with a small angle grinder. Let's go. I will use this board for simulating the size. Maximum width 22 centimeters. And the minimal length is 7.5. Of course, you have to distinguish between this template, which is 2 millimeters thick, compared to the thickness of the brick, which is 14 centimeters. So we'll be checking every time that it's well fitting until the bottom. And you see here it's too wide. So now we are making several trials and cutting very small width of the paperboard. And we are doing this until that the template is well fitting until the bottom. That's it. This is the right template. So now we're taking the template for marking the brick on the top. And the same thing on the bottom. The long side is here. And we make the connection between both references.
taking our last reference. Here, the longest width is, let's say, 33.5, and the shortest 21.5.
For the second brick, I improved the methodology for the template, and basically I am now making sure that the side towards the wall is fitting well, and only after I am cutting the right width of the brick.
That's it, my friends. This is the end of this video. The blocks have been cut. They are now fitting here on the width of the stairs. And I also wanted to let you know that this here is the very place where I shot all the videos about the gas. So in case you have some interest for the subject, including gas for the kitchen, don't hesitate to have a look at it. See you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.